So here go another one. 2011 Sentra, 99,000 miles. It's here to get this work. Double airbag bus deployed. Both seatbelts frozen. Alright. I'll give y'all some salt. Y'all see what bring back to life. We're breaking it down. I really need to get a GoPro so I can show y'all the whole process of it. But yeah, y'all see it. Boom, chicka boom, chicka boom. This is the prime reason why y'all ass need to learn how to drive. All right. This shit is not cheap, man. You want that cheap work, take that shit somewhere else. Alright, you can see, place the airbag and that airbag in there. And also got new seat belts, but I still got a airbag light. So in that case, you have to change the SRS control module. All right, once you disconnect the neck connector, should be able to just lift it up out of place. I'm doing this with one hand, so. All right, this is the new SRS module. You just put the bolts and stuff back in, connectors, and then just do everything on Sentra. New airbags put in, new dashboard airbag, new SRS module, and seat belts. Because I changed all the airbags and seat belts, but still throwing a code for the collision. So you had to change the module out. All right, YouTube, this is the bumper for the Sentra. You can see it's clean. And I hit it with the maroon Scotch Brite. So that's equivalent to about 320 grit. I'm gonna wipe this junk down with some alcohol. Then I got a little LVLP set up. Wipe this junk down with alcohol. Man, just hit it with some paint. I'm gonna let y'all see how it hits. A little quick overview of what I got going on. You know, Harbor Freight. Yeah. All right, make sure definitely a respirator. But with the paint, I'm gonna let y'all know how it come out. I don't know how it's gonna come out. Got this from Napa. I got this from somewhere else. That's reducer, that's hardener. Once I mix it up and spray it, it's single stage too, so I'll let y'all know how it come out. Then of course, boom. Just messing this up. After that, y'all gonna see, I'm gonna spray it. And now I'm gonna let y'all know. Let me show y'all the gun real quick. All right. And I think, I don't know the exact name of this one, but that's the number. I'm shooting it at around 28 PSI out of 1.4 tip. Out of my little compressor.
About to happen. You good? Back up, my boy.
I didn't even have my pump.
Huh? Yeah, that's fine. You good?
First coat, just something slight right now. I'm letting it flash out right now for like 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna try to hit it with 2 or 3 coats. How much of a paint we got? So main thing is trying to see how it's gonna hold up, because the lady said they normally don't mix well. So we'll see. All right, next day. There y'all go, look at that. So it ain't mixed too bad, but I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do it again. So if y'all get some paint, make sure y'all get the stuff that's recommended, because this is a risk. It just happened and not mess up. But yeah, you can see got a little run right there, but and a little gent down there. But it is what it is. It's better than the other color that it was, and it's a master cotton. So yes, sir. There you go, YouTube. Just got to do the windshield. There we go. Back. See the car running. Yeah. Let me take that. Still no check engine light, no airbag light. Just a tire pressure. That's how you do it.